Hamilton County in eastern New York, Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 miles east of Lowellville to Stickville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Old Forge, Ohio, Poland, Inlet, Cold Brook, Sound Track, Campground, Big Moose, Lake Campground, Lakeland, Golden Beach Campground, Arlington Lake Campground, Next Lake Campground, Eagle Lake, Northwood, Alger Island Public Campground, Radar, Beaver River, Nebraska, and Quaker Beach. For your protection, monitor interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: New York, Hamilton, and Herkimer.
Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Treasure Island Reef, Casa Grille Channel, Smallhaven Beach Reef, Madeira Beach Reef, Casa Grille Reef, Manatee 7 Mile North Reef, and Singapore Beach, including the following harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas and flood from a safe harbor immediately occurring. Additional details at 4:53 a.m.
The silver alert has been issued for Pinal County Sheriff's
heavy
Office.
rain.
This is the
Flooding
Arizona
is ongoing
Department
or
of Public
expected to
Safety.
begin shortly in the warned
Pinal
area.
County Sheriff's Office
Between
is
2
looking
and
for
3
a white
inches of
male,
rain have fallen.
David Vidrine,
Additional
79
rainfall
years
amounts
old,
of 1 to 2 inches
5'7"
are
inches,
possible in the warned area.
175
Some
pounds.
locations that will experience flooding include
David was last seen wearing a blue plaid shirt, white jeans, and brown shoes. He was last seen in the area at 60,300 block of East Arroyo Grande Drive. Evacuation order for 60U zones 5221 and 5224 east of Big Springs Road and west of Highway 97 due to a wildfire. If you are in this area, evacuate immediately.